History of Georgian cuisine. The history of Georgian cuisine is closely connected with the natural features of the landscape. The Suram Pass once divided the country into two parts, Western and Eastern. The distinctive features inherent in each of them are caused not only by weather conditions, but also by political ones. The west of the country was under Turkish influence for a long time, and the east was under Iranian influence. Therefore, corn cakes and poultry dishes are common in western Georgia, and wheat bread and lamb are common in eastern Georgia. Despite such differences, the border between the two parts of the country is very arbitrary and only emphasizes the flavor of national dishes. Wine. Georgian tea. More than 500 grape varieties are grown in Georgia. Wine is served with all dishes, and even children are allowed to drink in reasonable quantities. National traditions relate to the culture of consumption of wine products. A toastmaster is always present at every festive table. Usually, the host has to drink at least 25 glasses of wine, 250 g each, during one feast. Not a single toastmaster has yet broken the record of 45 glasses and a 3-liter horn, once set by one hero. Wine. Georgian tea. In September, Georgia celebrates the wine festival. Adults and children collect grapes in large baskets and dry them in the sun. Georgian young wine, majari, is made from the first berries. You can drink it right away. You don't have to wait until it ripens. The wort that remains after the wine is used to prepare thick jelly pelamushi. And from grape juice they make sweets, churchkila. 5 interesting facts about Georgian cuisine. Layered roast. The country's culinary traditions are best illustrated by a generous roast meat recipe. To prepare it, they put a calf in the carcass of an ox, a lamb in a calf, a turkey in a lamb, a goose in it, a duck in a goose, and a chicken in a duck. The space between the layers is occupied by herbs, mint, cilantro, basil, pepper, garlic. The roast is cooked on a spit for several hours. The dish has an indescribable aroma and juicy taste. Layered roast. Fish dishes. In Georgian cuisine, little place is given to fish dishes. They are mainly eaten in areas near rivers. Most often they cook carp here. Usak, kremolia, hottest half fatty and tender meat. Trout is caught high in the mountains of Abkhazia. The fish is stewed or steamed and eaten with the same sauces that are usually served with meat. Cheese traditions. A peculiarity of the national cuisine is the way of consuming cheeses. They are not eaten here as a separate appetizer, but are included in hot main and first courses. Cheeses are boiled in milk, baked in flatbreads, soaked and roasted on a spit. Cheese traditions of Georgia. Unusual utensils. Historically in Georgia, for frying and baking dishes, they used comfort special utensils, ketsi. These are small clay and large stone frying pans. In addition to them, wide metal tapa containers are used for cooking chicken and turkey under pressure. Georgian sauces. An interesting fact about Georgian cuisine is the story about sauces. Dressings are prepared on the basis of sour berry and fruit juices with the addition of tomatoes and barberries. There are nut sauces made with wine vinegar. Garlic is often added to dressings. Herbs and spices are used no less rarely in Georgian cuisine. Each sauce contains 3 to 4 spices. To prepare the dressing, the fruit juice is boiled and the ingredients are ground into a homogeneous paste. The sauces are liquid, aromatic, and spicy.